Mobile device managers. Okay, this is sort of interesting. Students, parents, teachers are all using different devices. You, if this is a part of your system, you need to have control of that system. You need to know who's on, what's hardware and software they're using. You need to make sure they're not doing something, lurking to create an attack. You need to know they're not doing something that you wouldn't approve of. So these systems do this, and they interface your programs, your learning management systems, ultimately with these mobile device managers. So your students can, lay in bed with their, iPhone and do their assignments, do their reading, and answer questions on a quiz, whatever. Here are companies that do this. I'd say of all the names we've given you for different aspects of the system, these probably are the least familiar to you, with the exception of Microsoft. But these are companies that do this. It's an important part of the system. You need to make sure your IT people are paying attention to it.